Hey guys, I'm at the Recover Tactical booth. Next to me is Ron, and tell us.
So, many of you know the P-IX. This is our AR platform for the Glock, which we came out with, give or take, about 3 years ago. And now we have the updated version, the P-IX Plus. You can put a 16-inch barrel, or you can put a 12-inch barrel. The kit uses the existing P-IX, and you add on extension pieces to the front and a new barrel. So you have your barrel, which goes on very easily like every other barrel. These are made in Austria by IGB, the originators of the 16-inch barrel for the Glock. You put your charging handle on, no hardware required, just slap it on. Make sure you line it up properly. Pop it in. Four clips. You got to install the front bolt as well, right there. And once you have that all installed, you're ready to shoot. These are available at recovertactical.com. The P-IX PFA with 16-inch barrel.